Introducing the one and only
Hey, dude,
my cousin Davian Nutledge, and the woman he will have sex with, J.L. Swift.
Hey, how? Hey, I'm about to actually end. Hey, Trey, come do your dance, dude. Trey, look out. Go get him.
Davian, how do you feel about life?
Dude, I usually record.
This is a documentary
I don't care.
of your life.
JL, no, shut up. Don't talk to me, faggot.
What about JL?
Shut your freaking faggot. Talk to me.
You said
I will kick you. Away from me.
You said something about JL having sex with JL. I'm
No,
pretty
you
sure.
faggot.
And taking off all her clothes. Ow. Nigga, what you doing me? Ow. Hey, JL, how do you feel on this documentary?
It's nasty.
Did you say that Davian is rude and talks about you? Did you say that? What about Latinos are being bad to you? Mexicans are bad people? You said that black people are the only kind of people along with mixed and white that are good? Is that what you said, JL? Ah, nigga, that was my foot! This documentary will now end. Goodbye, folks, and tune in for another time for a case of Davian Loves JL.